It's a bad man thing.
Hey ladies, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Wasteland, and of course I'm back with another wig review. I think for the summer I'm gonna try to shoot as many videos I can per day, so you might see the same setup, same makeup, same clothes. It is what it is, boo-boo. Let's get right into this review. This is a new one by Sensationnel, and it's in the style TRISSA. And before I get into the specs of Miss TRISSA, if you are interested in purchasing, the unit, definitely check out BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com. Their information will be in the description box down below. So let's stop talking and get into this review, honey. One of the most easiest get up and go type of wigs ever. Parting space is just unbelievably natural. Girl, I did not pluck or tweeze this part. I added pressed powder and that was it. I'm not all the way here for the parting. I do think I could go in and definitely pluck a little bit more right here. But definitely just, wow. I'm very impressed with the parting. Girl, put it on, go. It's more on the silky side, but it's still a light yaki unit. And I'm actually really enjoying the texture, especially with this style. And she is long. Miss TRISSA's long, girl. So she is hitting about my hip area, fully stretched out. So this is a lot of hair. I do love the density. She's a little bit on the thinner side. So here is with all the hair to the front.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass okay on it, family mama says okay.
I'm really trying to experiment with like some more 4s, some more 30s. Honestly, I'm not all the way comfortable with the chocolate brown. It's warming up to me. Yeah, girl. I'm not all the way feeling these ends. I think they could definitely be a little bit more fuller. I think that's personal preference. I would cut it, but I've been cutting so many wigs that I just want to let her stay great. I want to let her be great in all her glory. So I am not going to cut this one. But she is definitely a winner. I am so here for this style. You can wear this, I think, in a side part. I would shift it to the left. I would not shift it to the right. I don't know if it's me, but it seems like a lot of straight middle part wigs have a slight curve to them. So I don't know. But you could definitely, I would think you could definitely shift this to the left. But yes, girl. She has that flip factor to her, you know, when you walk by and just... She a cutie. If you guys are interested in Miss TRISSA, definitely check out BLACKHAIRSPRAY.com. Their information is in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Let your girl know that you are here. And ladies, you know what I say. Say it with me. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.